on to the Shipyard Ship Repair Facility of the Year, and that's sponsored by the Department of Seaports and Customs, Sharjah. And the finalists are Drydocks World Dubai, Inter-Ocean Ship Repair LLC, Nico International, Oman Dry Dock Company LLC. To present the award, please welcome to the stage Mr. Yaqoub Abdullah, Director, Marketing and Promotions of the Department of Seaports and Customs, Sharjah.
Good evening, and the winner is Drydocks World Dubai.
Stepping up to receive the award on behalf of Drydocks World is the CEO, Captain Rado Antolovic. Congratulations and well done to Drydocks, well deserved.